previously on. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious, quick and easy blueberry muffins that I know you guys would like. So if you enjoy quick and easy recipes, please hit the like on your way in. And please, if you haven't already done so, I hope you consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is get all of our ingredients, which I will have everything linked down below so you guys could follow along. Now I'm going to start by adding my dry instant muffin mix, and you can use whichever brand. I'm using Martha White, and I got this from the 99-cent store, so you might want to try checking out your local 99-cent store to see if they have them. And for this recipe, it's going to call for 2 packs. Now we're just going to add our milk. Now we're just going to give everything a quick stir just to make sure everything is well combined. Now we're going to add our chopped pecans, and you can use whichever nuts you would like. And I like to add this to my muffin mix just so I can have that extra little bite. Now we're going to add our batter to our baking pan, and I added some hot water in the middle. That way they can stay moist. Just a quick tip. So once we're done filling our cake pans, we're going to go ahead and sit this over to the side and start with our cream cheese filling. So the cream cheese filling is super easy. All you need is 1 block of softened cream cheese, which should be room temperature. And then you just need 1 cup of powdered sugar. And we will continue to whisk this until it gets nice, airy, and fluffy. So when you're done, you could get a piping bag and fill your cream cheese inside the piping bag just to make the application a little more easier. So now I'm going to go ahead and insert the tip of my piping bag into the muffin mix, and then we're just going to squeeze that cream cheese right into the center. You want to make sure you're preheating your oven to 400 degrees because we're going to bake these on 400 for about 20 to 25 minutes. And when they're done, they should look something like this. Nice and golden brown. They were super soft and moist. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you try this recipe, come back and let me know how it came out. I would like to know. And you guys, look at this. They were super moist. Look at that cream cheese. Until next time, I hope you guys stay safe out there, and peace.
This one. Oh my God. Oh. This one.